Hello everybody, welcome to my Katya's Beauty Style channel, and today we're gonna use this smoky eyeshadow from Lancome, and I will teach you step by step how to use them and do not make a mess. But also I received some new products from Lancome. They sent directly to my home for free. But look at this beautiful highlighter, blush, contour, everything in one palette. And of course I will tell you my favorite lip liner, lipstick, and let's start because it's little bit maybe will be longer video, I'm not sure, but it is this. To make eyes like this, you need to take your time. You need to start with eyes first, and then later on we will put highlighter and foundation. But let me stop talking and start showing you. Because we have a dark color here and shimmer color, we're gonna do eyes today first. And I also will test this color on my finger. First of all, I wanna feel products. I want to see texture of products because I can tell it's gonna be a lot of fall down this eyeshadow. Darker one actually it's pretty good, but I feel like a shimmer one, I don't know if you can see or not. You can see like I will blow out, it's a lot of like more like a dusty texture. This is like particularly this first three light color. We are gonna do eyes first because I can tell it's gonna be a lot of fall down of eyeshadow. Then we'll clean, we'll put concealer, foundation, and everything else. Okay, let's start. And we are gonna use Lancome eyeshadow primer on entire my eyelid. First step, Lancome eyeshadow primer, but also today we're gonna use primer from MAC Painterly, and I'm just gonna put on my eyelid right here. It's more creamy texture because it's a lot of shimmer, and I do not want this shimmer fall down. I just want this shimmer just to stay on my eyelid. Then let's start. We're gonna use this first, like it's a shimmer silver color. It's a lot of shimmer. Actually, I'm gonna use my finger. Oh yeah. And I kind of apply an entire my eyelid. I apply all shimmer on my entire eyelid, and I'm telling you, I can see already start eyeshadow a little bit fall down. But don't worry about, we're gonna use Lancome not sticky oil-free setting mist, and it's my favorite. It's no fragrance, and it's gonna lock my eyeshadow. One more time, I'm gonna use one close to my eye, and I'm gonna use again my little bit finger, and I'm gonna again apply this first color. You can see it's got more intense. Now we're gonna start work with darker color, and I'm gonna use this color. It's like a silver gray, but do not put too much, very little. We're gonna use is the middle color. Okay, we just blending. It's very important, remember. I think this is truly for me, I feel this is like eyeshadow palette, a lot of work but colors, it's so pretty. Okay, two colors, it's ready. Again, we put right here on the corner of my crease and like almost all the way to here, but do not put too much. Now we're gonna use this little bit more silvery darker color, and again because it's like so shimmery, and this is like really like intense shimmer, I'm gonna put right here with my finger on Not all the way in the corner, just halfway, because right there we're gonna use more darker color. Now we need to use eyeliner. Today I'm gonna use TRISH McEvoy eyeliner, and it's a gel. It's very soft and will go very easy. But I want to show you a little bit trick. I use my sharpener, but I don't feel it's too sharp like I want my end, and I like to almost every single eyeliners or lip liners I just a little bit just clean or sharp with paper towel. I always have paper towel next to me. But now you can see how sharp this is. I always lift my eye and then I apply this eyeliner between my lashes, and I really like this. And you can see how it's like made my lashes much more full and eye looks very sexy. And again, I'm gonna little bit sharp my pencil. It's best way, I'm telling you. After 40, I definitely need little bit lift my eye. This is how I apply on my regular pencil. Okay, how I do perfect my ends. I'm gonna use little tiny brush from TRISH McEvoy. I'm gonna lift little bit. And with little bit brush, this is how I make slightly little bit my line. Ooh, getting better and better. And now with same brush, I'm just little bit spreading this eyeliner and also little bit soft this eyeliner. And under my eyes, we're gonna use Lancome also gel liner, but it's like a navy color. I just received this from Lancome. Yes, they sent me this for free, and it's like it's number 06 Persian Night metallic. And let me show you this color. It's so pretty, and we're gonna use under. Now let's connect these two eyeliners together, and I will use again this small tiny brush, and I'm just little bit soft this, and just very soft right here. We just spread in color, but I want you to see one eye and another, how this eye looking like so big right now, and it's like getting sexy and pretty. Let's do this one. Now I have a flat brush, and we're gonna use this black color. This black color I'm gonna put right here on the corner, and a little bit pushing in my circle area. And then we will use a big brush and we will blend. Also, I'm gonna slightly put a little bit under my eyes, and then we will blend again. Let's start blend first here. Also, I'm gonna use black eyeliner on my waterline because they have a lot of shimmer with you. I just put my face powder dual finish, and it's my color neutral, and I just applying close to my eyebrows. Again, this is just my face powder, but you can use any your powder or loose powder, because again, I don't want too much. We have already enough shimmer. Also, I'm gonna use right now liquid eyeliner from Lancome, and I'm just gonna press close to my lash line, and we definitely need lashes today. Okay, now I have makeup wipes, and I'm gonna clean everything. Before my lashes, I'm gonna use Lancome mascara on top and the bottom, and then we're gonna apply these beautiful lashes. Okay, my eyes looks really big and like so smoky, but of course we need to finish this look. I look so funny. I'm gonna use primer from SUPERGOOP, and it's 40 SPF Glow Sunscreen. I like it because it's SPF and it will give me nice beautiful glow. For my foundation, I'm using Lancome Teint Idole color 250, and will give me nice beautiful coverage and even on my skin. For my concealer, I'm using Idole Ultra Color 110. Just gonna put right here and right here, and I'm gonna use my little bit brush first, and then I will use my beauty blender. And now you can see how it looks clean, not sloppy, and really look pretty. Now I'm gonna set my foundation with Lancome loose powder. You know, girls, it's my favorite loose powder. I don't know anything else better than this so far. And my color, I can go pearl, or sometimes if I want a little bit more color, I'm using pearl and acrylite. It will be slightly a little bit darker. This is its two colors usually which one I use it. And now let's do eyebrows, because we have eyeshadow but no brow. For my eyebrows, I'm using Lancome eyebrow pencil, and it's also Lancome sent to me brow define pencil number 10, color chocolate, and it's very similar to Anastasia Beverly Hills or to actually Christian Dior. And what I do, I just fill in my eyebrows, just very small tiny strokes. I fill my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna use this little bit spoolie, and I'm just gonna brush this pencil a little bit. Now give me like extra lift. These eyebrows make huge difference, right? I did my eyebrows a little bit more, I'll say, wider, a little bit more intense what I usually do, but because I feel these eyes need brows. But you know what, let's come back to our eyeshadow palette, because we are gonna use this beautiful white color, just one white color, and I'm gonna put on corner of my eyes. I'll open my eyes and it'll look very pretty. Ooh, yes, it is so pretty. Okay, I am again gonna introduce you a new color or new palette for me. We are selling in Nordstrom. It's a Lancome palette, and it's, look at this, how pretty packaging. But it's also, this is its palette, not just blush. We have here contour, blush and highlighter, and you also have like little right here cover what it's telling you where is contour, blush and highlighter. Also you have a little book inside. They did a great job, and I really like it. You have instruction here. It's telling you step by step how to use this palette. And unfortunately this brush, which one they show me, it's no more for sale, it's discontinued. I personally really like it. Lancome bring back, but let's use our blush again. Look at this. This is its contour, blush and highlighter, and color it's really neutral. It looks so pretty on me, and believe me or not, I think this is you can use even for eyeshadow because it's so pretty. And I just love these colors. It's so hard to find blush and bronze this color. Let's do it. Yeah, I'm gonna use first lighter color, and this is gonna be my highlighter. And we're gonna put like right here. And it's like, it's a gold with slightly little bit peachy. Oh, it is so pretty. Then I'm gonna put a little bit highlighter above my lips. I'm telling you, makeup make a big difference. Did you see when we start how not pretty I am? Oh, you know what I can say? I actually feel like today a little bit even ugly, like ugly duck. You know, sometimes you wake up and you do not look good, but after using all these products, it looks so pretty, right? Now we have highlighter here. I'm just gonna clean this brush with my paper towel. This, I'm telling you guys, I always have next to me. It's just very quick. And now I'm gonna use this contour right here. It's contour and your blush, it's like middle part. Okay, it's very unusual contour color, but let me see, because it's not like too orange or brown. It's like a brown neutral. Ooh, it's pretty. Wow. And I apply a little bit higher, because after 40, I'm telling you girls many times, you want a facelift. And now let's do the blush. And look at how it's even like a beautiful rose here. Lancome Center Blush did such a good palette. Oh, and it's number 310 nude. For the lips, we are gonna use some neutral colors, because again my eyes is already dark, lots of pop, and I like look more nude color, because I know if I will go with darker color, I will look much more older, and I don't wanna look older. Before we're gonna do lips, I actually gonna use my blending brush, and I'm gonna use my contour color, and I'm gonna use for my eyes. I really like to, it's my personal trick. Sometimes I think my eyeshadow not 100% look the best or 100% blends. I like to use blush a little bit above right here. First of all, your blush will connect with your eyes, and then it will give you extra pop and will look so pretty. Can you see how pretty now? Right? Again, like I mentioned, we're gonna use a very neutral color for the lips. My favorite lip liner, my favorite company for lip liner so far, still Lancome, and we're gonna use color Bronzel. It's like a brown neutral. Then we're gonna use color Design lip color, and it's number 126 Natural Beauty, and it's like a creamy like peachy brown colors. I know it looks pretty on me, and I'm gonna cheat you, Lancome, please. Sorry, because I don't have any nice so far like lip gloss from Lancome. We're gonna use a beautiful lip color from Christian Dior, and it's number 640, and I believe it's named G.A. Dior. Let's finish this, okay? Okay, we are finished this look. Remember how we start, and look at how we finish, right? I look so young, pretty, and I am ready to go somewhere. Okay, love you all. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, and I will see you in my new video. Of course, I like always to say I love you more than ice cream.